am Eija Kenttä working at VTT in Finland, and our task in this project was to see, is it possible to use this new low-cost nano-silica as a pigment in a printing paper. In inkjet printing papers, silica pigments are typically used because silica pigment is able to create a porous structure with a lot of specific surface area. And in our work, we have used the silica which is made with cellular technology, meaning that we get from this kind of brown material very white silicon dioxide powder. And this kind of powder we then mix with a polyvinyl alcohol binder to make a coating color. And when we have done that coating color, then we went to a pilot machine to coat the paper roll. So I want to make you thinking, what is the coating of a paper? We all use paper quite a lot, but if you take a sheet of paper, you don't know is it coated, because it's a very thin layer of material. And therefore I want to show you this kind of cross-section picture taken from a coated paper. So the whole thickness of paper is typically something about 80 microns. It's the same thickness as hair, meaning that you can detect the thickness of the whole paper, but there is only some 10 microns of coating on the top of paper. And that kind of coating layer improves the properties of paper, thinking printing, which is one of the main applications of paper. So what does this thin layer of pigment coating do for the paper surface? I want to show the effect with this kind of electron microscope picture. On the left side you see 1000 times magnification of uncoated paper. And on the right hand side you see the coated paper magnification. And what's the big difference? If we don't have any coating, there is the grid of fibers, meaning that there are irregular shape of pores and then this fiber network. But when we put this pigment coating layer, we see that it's like a uniform layer where we have small pores. The pores can have different sizes, but they are uniformly distributed all over the paper surface. And why we want this kind of surface with small pores? It's very beneficial when we make a printing. Especially in the case of inkjet printing, we have quite large volumes of liquid, which the paper has to absorb very quickly and attach the pigment part of this liquid to the top of the surface of paper. And this kind of pigment layer with a suitable binder can make this attachment and absorption, and that way we can improve the print quality. Okay, so we have done the coated paper, and then we have made some laboratory tests of the print quality, and we have seen here as bars that we have improved the quality compared to the base paper. And the same thing you can compare here with your own bare eyes from these layouts we have printed. And in best way you see it is the sharpness of, for example, this kind of line. When you have the coating layer, we get a very nice sharp line, but when we don't have any coating like here, the ink on the line is spreading and it's not sharp anymore. So that's the target of the coating layer, and I think that this low-cost silica produced from mining industry side streams has potential to be used as a paper coating pigment. Thank you.